Imagine brushing your hair and watching less and less fall away. Imagine standing in front of the mirror and seeing fuller, thicker roots every single week. Sounds like a dream? What if that dream starts with something as simple and surprising as an onion? Hair loss affects more than just our appearance. It touches our identity and sense of confidence. Whether caused by hormonal changes, stress, genetics, or aging, losing hair can feel like losing a part of yourself. But you don't need a prescription or a costly treatment to take control. The solution could be natural, affordable, and already in your kitchen: onion juice. Onion juice might sound like an old wives' tale, but there's science behind it. Onions are rich in sulfur, an essential mineral that supports the production of keratin, the protein your hair is made of. A lack of sulfur can weaken the hair shaft, making it more prone to breakage and shedding. Applying sulfur topically through onion juice can help fortify hair strands and encourage new growth. In addition to sulfur, onions contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a silent but major culprit behind many types of hair thinning, especially along the scalp where follicles can become damaged or clogged. Quercetin works to soothe and protect the scalp environment, making it more conducive to hair growth. There's also evidence to support its effectiveness. A study published in the Journal of Dermatology in 2002 observed that participants who applied onion juice to their scalp twice daily saw significantly more regrowth than those who used only tap water. These participants showed visible hair regrowth after just 2 weeks. Now, let's stop for a second. The idea of putting onion juice on your scalp might trigger thoughts of mess, odor, and discomfort. But before you write it off, it's worth considering that traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine have relied on onion-based remedies for centuries to treat scalp conditions and stimulate hair regrowth. And now, modern wellness communities are rediscovering its effectiveness with a fresh perspective. When you shift your mindset, onion juice becomes less of a smelly nuisance and more of a powerful, plant-based elixir. Hair regrowth doesn't have to come from a pharmacy. Sometimes, nature gives us exactly what we need. Making onion juice at home is simple. All you need is 1 large onion and a little patience. Start by peeling and chopping the onion into small pieces. Then place the pieces in a blender or grate them manually until a fine pulp forms. To extract the juice, strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or fine strainer. You'll end up with a pale, slightly cloudy liquid. That's your fresh onion juice. For those sensitive to strong smells or scalp irritation, you can mix in a tablespoon of aloe vera gel or coconut oil. These additions help soothe the skin and neutralize the scent without affecting the potency of the juice. To apply, use a cotton pad or dropper to gently place the juice directly onto your scalp. Massage it in with your fingertips using circular motions to stimulate circulation. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. For best results, aim to repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for at least 6 weeks. Let's be honest, onion juice has a distinct and strong smell. That's one of the biggest reasons people hesitate to use it. However, there are simple solutions. You can mix the juice with a few drops of essential oils like lavender, rosemary, or tea tree. This will not only improve the fragrance, but also bring additional hair-supporting benefits. Another option is to follow your treatment with an apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts water and pour it through your hair after shampooing. It helps eliminate the smell while balancing your scalp's pH. And if you're worried about allergic reactions or irritation, always do a patch test first. Dab a small amount of the juice behind your ear or on your inner elbow and wait 24 hours to see if any redness or itching develops. While onion juice is powerful on its own, you'll see better and faster results when you support it with healthy habits. Nutrition plays a huge role in hair health. Make sure your diet is rich in biotin, which is found in eggs, sweet potatoes, and nuts. Omega-3 fatty acids from sources like fish, flaxseed, or chia seeds also nourish hair from the inside out. And don't forget water. Hydration is essential for scalp health and hair vitality. Scalp hygiene is another critical factor. Avoid overwashing your hair, which can strip natural oils. Aim to wash 2 or 3 times a week with gentle, chemical-free shampoos. Don't ignore your scalp in your self-care routine. Moisturize it just like you would your skin. Stress reduction is key as well. Chronic stress can trigger a type of hair loss called telogen effluvium, where large numbers of follicles prematurely enter the shedding phase. Practices like yoga, mindfulness meditation, and even regular scalp massages can lower stress hormones and support hair recovery. It's important to approach this with realistic expectations. In the first week or two, you may not notice much. Your scalp might feel tingly or stimulated. That's a good sign. By week 3 or 4, you might spot tiny baby hairs around your temples or crown. Your hair could feel softer and slightly fuller. By week 5 or 6, many users report reduced shedding, stronger strands, and visible thickening. To really appreciate the changes, take weekly photos of your hairline or crown area. Comparing side-by-side images every 2 weeks can show you progress you might not notice day to day. Plenty of people have shared their success using onion juice. One woman, struggling with postpartum hair loss, documented her journey on social media and gained thousands of followers who were inspired by her regrowth. A man dealing with early balding used the juice mixed with aloe after workouts and noticed new growth along his hairline within a month. These stories remind us that natural remedies, when applied consistently and paired with healthy habits, can be incredibly powerful. You don't need chemicals, you don't need injections, and you don't need to spend a small fortune. What you need is a natural, nutrient-rich, time-tested solution that can restore not just your hair, but your confidence. So here's your 30-day challenge. Try the onion juice growth formula. Commit to it. Pair it with good food, stress management, and a little patience. In just a few weeks, you might feel like a whole new you, rooted in confidence, strength, and self-care.